for all the hits and Big Bay Mornings. Big Red here. Minutes away from kicking off your Big 99 as we count down the 9 biggest songs in the Bay. First, though, big shout out to Cindy out in Antioch, too. Again, she actually just called the station asking for Louis passes. Don't have any more tonight, but tomorrow we're doing it again. 2 o'clock with Fernando, 6 o'clock with St. John, and again at 7 and 8 p.m. with me. All right, get ready after the break. We kick off your Big 9 at 9. Let's go!
Think your partner's cheating? Let Big Bay Mornings set the love trap.
All I need right now is for you to just understand that this is not what
I was asking what you need. I said, what else does she need besides your like? How dare you lie to me?
New Love Trap tomorrow morning.
Wake up
on Big Bay Mornings.
The gamer, the call maker, the experience chaser. What if you could be everything all at once? Galaxy Z Fold 4 is powered by the Snapdragon processor for world-class performance and lightning-fast speed to turbocharge your multitasking. How about an expansive edge-to-edge screen for immersive gaming, hands-free video calls with flex mode, and multi-window view to use up to 3 apps at the same time? With Galaxy Z Fold 4, do more with ease and make multitasking a breeze. Available now at Samsung.com.
Think you know Amazon? Think again. Did you know you can get paid when it works best for you? Yeah, that means you can get the money you earned directly after your shift. Or that you get benefits like healthcare on your very first day. As an Amazon warehouse associate, you'll be amazed by what you can get. To learn more about all the benefits of working an hourly job at Amazon, go to Amazon.com/hourly. That's Amazon.com/hourly. Amazon is proud to be an equal opportunity employer.
St. John here at 99.7. Just how fast is Xfinity Internet with supersonic Wi-Fi? Well, it's really like beyond gig speed fast. It's got 3 times the bandwidth and the power to connect hundreds of devices all at once. That way, the whole family can game, stream, or work all at the same time. Now that is power. Get the Xfinity Supersonic Bundle with unlimited gig speed internet, Wi-Fi equipment included, and a free 4K streaming box, all for $50 a month with a 2-year internet rate guarantee, and no annual contract when you add Xfinity Mobile with unlimited data at regular rates. Go to xfinity.com/gig, call 1-800-XNITY or visit the store today. Limited time offer. Restrictions apply. Requires paperless billing and auto pay. New gigabit extra internet customers only. Taxes and fees extra and subject to change. Xfinity Mobile requires post-pay Xfinity Internet. Reduced speeds after 20 gigabytes of wireless usage. After 24 months, regular rate supply requires compatible Xfinity.
Okay, guys, we gotta put our trays up for takeoff.
Where's Dad?
Oh, he's in the back. We could only get 3 seats together.
Daddy has my pillow.
We'll get it later. Can you not put your feet up, please?
Why are we going?
We must be in line for takeoff.
Like security?
Well, that was a different line.
I have to go.
We just sat down.
But I have to go.
The seatbelt sign's on.
Why aren't we moving?
No kicking.
We're just 15th in line for takeoff.
Son of a... Don't go there. Go on a real vacation. Go RVing. Learn more at GoRVing.com.
Hey, it's Greg, and you know it seems like everywhere you look, price inflation is hitting the Bay Area. So wouldn't it be great to actually turn back the clock on inflation while fixing your nearsightedness and astigmatism too? Then here's your chance, because Dr. Scott Hiver is now rolling back his prices on all laser LASIK. In fact, he's rolling prices back a full 10 years, all the way back to 2012. So here's your chance to save your money on these low LASIK prices from the past while getting state-of-the-art LASIK technology with Harvard MD Dr. Scott Hiver. But this special 10-year LASIK price rollback offer ends October 30th. So call now to schedule your free evaluation with Dr. Hiver in Daly City, Santa Clara, or San Ramon. Just go to scotthiver.com. That's SCOTTHY, V as in vision, ER.com.
This offer is not good on prior purchases and other restrictions apply. The proceeding was a paid endorsement. Scott Hiver Vision Care Inc., Professional Medical Corporation.
Volunteers are critically needed at food banks across the Bay Area. Second Harvest of Silicon Valley needs volunteers to sort food in their San Jose warehouse and to distribute food at locations throughout Santa Clara and San Mateo counties. Sign up now at justserve.org.
KMVQ FM, KMVQ HD1.
San Francisco. Oakland.
San Jose. Broadcasting from the Dr. Bay Studios.
DRBAE.com.
You ready?
This is the Big 9 at 9. The 9 biggest songs in the Bay today.
On 99.7 now, #1 for all things. All right, y'all, we do it every single night. We count down the 9 biggest songs in the Bay based on your tweets, your texts, your calls, your streams. We put it into a pot, and we come up with the formula to create your Big 9 at 9. All right, coming back onto the list again.
these guys hung out with a couple of weeks ago with us in one of our studios here in Daly City. We did a rapid fire, we did the interview, fans were here, it was amazing. Malibu from the driver era, number 9 tonight on the Big 99.
All day cause I don't know better. They betting on a chance. Don't wanna watch you slip through my hands. No. Off the ground like we used to dance. Remember how we never had no plans. Straight to my head like I'm floating above the clouds. I see the stars far from the panic. Don't know how I live without Malibu. Why don't you take me to Malibu? Say we're not coming back, tell me right now. Run it back now, baby. Someone nice coming. Straight to my head like I'm floating above the clouds. All I see is stars, far from the panic. Don't know how to live without.
making his debut tonight on the Big 99 for the first time ever with his single brand. 99.7 down number one for all the hits and big name mornings. But me and K Brown, we got some of the same features, y'all. Have you seen our eyes? Green and amazing.
Here's song number 7.
Gravy got cheese now, that's pussy. Gravy coming hot like I'm hopping off the griddle. Pull up on a kid if you're trying to get belittled. All the mamas love me now, think I'm the rainbow, banging like some Skittles. Why you out of pocket? Stop it. I'm getting money, gravy, crocky. Never take a L no more. Never take a damn thing slow. All I know is chase this dough. Ain't getting money to me. Never gonna take no loss. Never gonna lose my sauce. All I know is chase this. Ain't get money to me. Get money, get money. Yeah, I'm living fast now. Yeah, you know I live a fast life. I don't got a type, baby. I'm a cash type. Still getting it. Rockin' rig, clapping ass leads like the 80s. Never give it up until the reaper come and slay me. Pull up with a Zelda and a peach and a daisy. I be dirty dancing, now the yelling gravy slazy. Never take a damn thing slow. All I know is chase this dough. Ain't get money. Never gonna take no loss. Never gonna lose my sauce. All I know is chase this and get money. Get money. Hey, get money.
The Big 9 at 9.
99.7 now. Number one for all the hits. Number 6.
Here's song number 6.
What's up? It's Jax, and this is my song on the Big 9 at 9. Don't forget to tag me so I can see your posts. Let's go, Bay Area.
Thought I wish somebody